What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Blitz that we're going to be rebuilding. I've had these for a while. They were step lipped 18s and I wasn't too fond of them, but I decided to order lips and barrels from Alibaba. I know there's been a controversy on wheels that people have been getting all over social media, and nobody has been ordering lips and barrels, and I wanted to give it a shot. Or ordered a pair of these for the other wheels that are on the car currently, but this is the barrel. Obviously it looks similar to whatever is sold here in the States. Same T6061 aluminum that is used on current brands here in the States. These look phenomenal. These are the lips, fucking perfect. Mirror finish almost. Or technically it is a mirror finish to me because they're gonna be drift wheels and I cared less about what brand I use on these compared to these that are sold in the States. These were on the wagon when I went to Gap. Cracked the fuck out of these. But I will be testing these out a little bit harder. I've tested them out on the car currently as daily wheels. I only have 2 on, but they haven't cracked or bent, so that's a plus. I'll be putting these back together and hopefully getting them on by tomorrow with tires because they got delayed by Walmart, unfortunately. But we will be putting these back together right now. I will be time-lapsing, torquing these down, sealing them up. I will be showing you guys what I'll be using and how much I torque them to, because a lot of people don't know how to build wheels, and I will be showing you guys how to do that too within this video. All right, now that we have some of the nuts in place, obviously, let me see if I can get this thing to focus. Well, these are some special type of nuts. Obviously, once you snug them up, you don't need to hold them on the backside unless they start spinning freely. But this little like teething on the bottom side of the nut will hold the nut to the back of the barrel. Obviously, it bites them, gives it a good grab, and you can torque them properly. But for now, I'm gonna snug them up first and then torque them down. Let me find it in the ring. There you go. And then just go at it. Like that. Do first pass slightly and then just proceed from there. Now that we obviously snug those up, we're gonna go ahead and set the trusty old wrench, the torque wrench, down to, we're gonna do 20 foot-pounds just to be safe. Obviously these are M7 bolts. Do not do it to your M6. M6 bolts are garbage, throw them away. Do something with them. Don't use them for anything wheel related, they tend to snap. So M7, M8, I usually do 20 foot-pounds obviously. And away we go. And obviously go in a star pattern and work your way around. We gotta tape them up so we don't get RTV in any of the other spots besides the center of this, so we can seal them. I use electrical tape. It's what's worked best for me, obviously. And we're gonna get to using this right here in specific. I've been using this for years. So yeah, let's get to it then. We're just gonna smear it down the center like that. Yes, it's smearing a lot. Unfortunately, I have to cut open the end a little bit bigger just because there was dried up silicone at the very end. Just make sure you smear it smoothly. So it doesn't look like shit. Even though you won't see this, but still. Spin this around. Boom. There you go. Now, obviously, usually just start peeling these off to get the excess off. Just watch out, because if this gets on your clothes, it's not coming off. It's a pain in the ass. So. Here's the first one. See how smooth that looks. Peel it up. Empty. Alright, here's the finished product, guys. Finally applied the last silicone on this wheel, and obviously it seems like there's nothing on this thing, but these are ready to be let to dry overnight, obviously, and we should be having tires on these. If my tires show up, if not, I have tires I can rip off the TEs, toss on these, and have them mounted on the car hopefully by tomorrow. But that's the plan. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully these dry, or should be dry by the time I go mount tires on them. Don't know what time, but I'll post a video afterwards, or a small edit actually. Here's the finished result. Wheels are finally on, balanced out perfect, 3/4 of an ounce. I will be putting up a clip of me balancing these things out, but they look fucking perfect. Mirror finish, balanced out perfect. Obviously I will be testing these out a little bit harder, obviously, as the season goes by. These are going to be drift wheels. So yeah, let's see how the season goes out. Hopefully these don't have any major issues. As of now, currently the front two right here have not given me any issues. So I hope the back stays the same, knock on wood. And this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's catch you guys up on the next one.